Hi everyone, today I want to share one recipe. I'll cook rice with vegetables and soy meat. First I cooked rice and soy meat about 10 minutes. After that I cut all the vegetables, tomatoes, carrot and onion. Then I put rice in the pan and fried it. I put the ingredients in the pan in turn: meat, vegetables, and also I added peas and corn. After that I mixed all the ingredients and I finished the dish with a little salt and spices. That's all. I hope you enjoy this recipe and you can cook it at your leisure. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.